the country which is supposed to be most advanced, it has one of the highest rate of rape. According to the statistics, it says that on an average every day, more than 1,900 females are being raped every day. Every 1.3 minutes, one female is raped. Since the time I'm in this auditorium, it's more than 2.5 hours. How many rapes may have taken place? How many? More than 100 in America. I'm asking a question. If you implement the Islamic Sharia in America, that is, every man, when he looks at a woman, he should lower his gaze. The woman should be properly dressed up in the hijab. And after that, if any man rapes, capital punishment. I'm asking a question. Will the rate of rape increase? Will it remain the same, or will it decrease? It will decrease. The practical law. You implement the Sharia and you get results. And I've asked this question to non-Muslims, that suppose someone rapes, unfortunately, your wife or your mother. And if you are made the judge, and if the rapist is brought in front of you, what punishment will you give? And believe me, all of them said, we'll put him to death. Some went to the extent of saying, we will torture him to death. So why do you have the double standards? Someone rapes somebody else's wife, capital punishment is barbaric law. Someone rapes your wife, you want to give him capital punishment. Why these double standards? And do you know, in India, according to the statistics of Crime Bureau, it says that every 54 minutes, one case of rape is reported in India. How many taking place? Every few minutes maybe, one case. And no wonder, the Home Minister of India, L.K. Advani, you know what he said? It came in headlines of Times of India. Headline. What it says? That Advani puts a death rap for rapes and recommends an amendment in the law. Headlines in Times of India, 28th of October, 10 days back. On Tuesday, one day before, 27th of October, 1998, he said that he wants death penalty for the rapist. Alhamdulillah. What Islam has said 14 years ago, L.K. Advani is saying that, and I congratulate him for that. I'm not here to promote any political party. I'm not a politician. But if someone speaks the truth, I have to appreciate it. And if you implement this, surely the rate of rape will diminish. Maybe the next Home Minister may implement the Islamic hijab here also. So inshallah, the rape will be completely abolished. They are coming closer to Islam. I appreciate it. Ta'alaw ila kalmatin sawa'in baynana baynakum. Come to common terms as between us and you. Mr. L.K. Advani realized that rape is increasing in India, and he rightly recommended that the law should be amended and death penalty should be put for the rapist. And I'm for it. I'm the first Indian to support him. So if you analyze Islam, besides speaking good things, it shows you a way how to achieve that state of goodness. Therefore, I say that Islam, unlike other religion, which speak good things, it shows you a way how to achieve goodness. So therefore, if I have to follow a religion, I would follow a religion which speaks good things and shows you a way how to achieve that good things. Therefore, it is rightly said in Surah Al-Imran, chapter 3, verse number 19, Inna Dina Indallahi al-Islam. The only religion accepted in the sight of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the person who submits his will to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Ta'ala ila kalmatin sawa'in baynana bainakum. Come to common terms as between us and you. Which is the first term? Allah na'budu illallah. That we worship none but Allah.